Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing to you my week 1 unboxing for Supreme for Winter 2024. Now as you can see, the massive order is behind us. You know what I ordered at the end of the day, so we're just hoping for like the free gift and then the sticker pack that should come with it, or stickers. I don't know if they do sticker packs still, but yeah, I was going to record this when it arrived because it arrived Saturday. Amazing. I was ill and I'm still kind of borderline, so yeah, we're just going to get straight into this. As per normal though, let me know down below whether or not your item has arrived or not, you know, whether you've got shipping, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling it, or probably holding it more so than stocking it, because I know a lot of people hold till like next season or so, or for a few months and then flip. But yeah, let's just go straight through this and straight into it. So yeah, okay, so plain and simple, obviously. Wow, amazing, I know. Yeah, I also haven't worn this tee since I basically got it. I think I've worn it like once, or yeah, I think that's about it. And since then, it has sat inside out because that's how it was washed, on a hanger, and that's it. That's all they wrote. So yeah, I don't even remember what season this is from. I thought it was from like spring summer 2023, but I don't remember, I'm not gonna lie. So anyway, this now, don't get your hopes up, because this is going to be a present. So you know what that means. It's terrible sound, but I also love that I don't have to tear and put effort. So yeah, it's a present, so just don't get your hopes up. You know what's going to happen. It's just going to be seen and that's it. Everything else you can take a better look at, but yeah. And I still managed to tear the bag somehow. Anyway, right, let's get the less interesting, or maybe it's interesting things. There are sticker packs, that's cool. So, let me get the free gift out the way. There you go. We heart our customers, we love our customers. I know you do. You absolutely adore us, obviously, Supreme. So there's that, and it's even got a little protection bit over the top, so yeah. I'll just sit that there so you can see it. They love their customers. From there, we've got a sticker pack. Does it have a box logo sticker? It does, but it's not the green one. Damn. Oh well. I saw that people are paying, I think it's like £1 or €1 per box logo sticker, the green one, at the store. And somebody said that there was a person who quite literally just went and bought basically what was left. So yeah, but for stickers, obviously we've got the standard, and then we've got the drugs, and to be honest, it's probably quite okay that it's covered up, but there you go. So yeah, drug stickers quite cool. The other stickers quite cool. I was expecting it to be a lot larger, but you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I'm just feeling, because I'm hoping that there's just like a box logo. There's not. It's not. So the main piece, box logo. No. The main piece that is obviously for this video is going to be the Tyler the Creator photo tee. I wish that it was the other way round inside the bag, because then that's easier for the graphic instead of it being like that. But yeah, it just says for Winter 24, black, large. I feel like extra large would have been needed. But it's just one of those things at the end of the day. If you can't get it, you can't get it, even if you try. I tried, obviously. I saw a number of people were able to get other colorways, you know, in XL, but it's just black, XL and double XL. It's just difficult, but anyway. You see like nothing. You've seen the graphic, so I'm sure there are photos out there with people having it on, but yeah, it's just gonna be a present. I'll show you the little barcode so that you can see what that's like. There you go. But that is all basically. I don't have anything else to say. Obviously there is the expectation that this week is going to be a Nike collaboration, and that they're just going to release news or something of a single pair. Maybe it's the mids dropping, maybe not. But yeah, typically we do have a gap, but they've been doing this thing for a little bit now, where they just throw out like a singular piece and they're just like, here you go, take it. And it's like, okay, it's not really a week sort of fully, but yeah, there's also meant to be a Jordan collab expected next month, so that's cool, hopefully. But yeah, that is pretty much going to cover this video. So like I said, let me know down below whether or not your orders have arrived, whether you got the free gift and possibly a sticker pack. I don't know, maybe you did, maybe you didn't, or whether you got the green box logo, or whether that's only like an in-store thing now. And yeah, other than that, if you ordered from Kith, have any of your pieces arrived from them currently. I've put up my Green Goblin poster, which is cool, but obviously didn't hit the A6. I'm pretty sure the A6 will have another week or so until they start shipping out. Their prices are disgusting, so yeah, there goes my chance of getting like a PSA comic for like a low sort of number, but yeah. Anyway, that's gonna cover it from me, so I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and other than that, I will see you all next time. Peace.